Hey gang, Sky Pilot here. Thanks for dropping in guys. So yeah, the Happymodel Larva X. I'm going to take it for a quick spin around and just explain a couple of the micro SD card features attached to this little unit here. Link down below as always. And that's about enough of the intro. Sky Pilot, thanks for dropping by. Let's get cracking. So standard setup guys, I've just reinforced the VTX antenna up the top here so it doesn't flop around so much, and I've just tied the battery wires to the frame there in case I have a crash. I don't rip out the wires from my main board. Pretty strong little unit. Link down below where you get it from, where you get some spares from, your frame, your props, your motors if you need them as well. And today I'm running the GN3 300 milliamp. That's in the link below as well, and we should get about 5 minutes flight time out of that. So let's go ahead and answer a couple of questions about the SD card recording, which you can see just down here on the side of the stack here. You'll see your SD card slot or micro SD card slot. When you power this unit up, it will start recording straight away, and you'll know that by very shortly the red light on the side here will begin flashing. Okay, so it's flashing now, so it's recording. Now once your flight's over, make sure you don't run the battery completely dead, because if you do, or if the battery lead comes out and it all of a sudden stops, then you've actually lost all the recording. So to stop the recording, you simply press that button on the side here and you'll see the light go to solid red, and that means it's basically saved all that footage that it's been recording. So myself, to start it up again, I normally just pull the power lead out. It's quite sticky, and I put it in again. It'll commence recording again from the get-go. Bit of wind picking up here, so let's get some footage going and let's have a fly.
RF signal low.
Well, I'm not too sure why that is. It's just in front of me. Okay. Let's have a flyby so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I don't recommend flying it that close to you. Get a couple of rolls in.
RF signal low. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Ooh, a bit too far away. Okay. Get into a barrel spin. Nice. This thing's a lot of fun, guys. Even with the wind, a little bit precarious, but still it's not going too bad. Yes, okay.
RF signal critical.
Oh, we're a long way out now. Let's go head back down, shall we? Pushing out here.
RF signal low.
Yeah, getting a fair bit of RF signal here, not too sure why guys, but
RF signal low.
go back to angle mode while we do some height here. Let's get up to some height. So, oh, it was a bird. Punch up.
RF signal low.
Oh, that's a long way up, guys. Come back to me. Woo! Crikey, this thing's fun. I love it. If you're looking for a cheap thrill, guys, yeah, this is the unit for you.
RF signal low.
Absolutely. Let's do a boundary run here. And another punch up. Sorry, punch out.
RF signal low.
Okay, I'll bring it in as I want to not lose my SD card footage. And I'll try and land it just between my feet. Without chopping my legs off.
RF signal low. RF signal low.
That's a good landing. Okay, so we can see the red light's still flashing there, guys, so I shall just stop button. The red light is nice and solid. Excellent. And we've captured some footage. Yep, so how cool is this thing? The Happymodel Larva X. What an absolute cracker. I love flying this thing. Easy to fly, except when the ants crawling on you. Keep the line of sight here to finish off. If you're just getting into the hobby, this is a really good unit to buy, and yeah, easy to fly and a fair bit of fun to boot.
RF signal low.
I might get onto Betafly and check out a couple of settings which could explain my RF signal low messages I keep getting. I'm getting bitten by ants. It's really hard flying when you're being bitten by ants. Yep, I'm getting bitten by ants. Okay.
RF signal low.
Could be getting a little bit long, pal. I was just doing
Signal low.
through the line of sight, guys. You sometimes lose track of which way it's facing, so it's not recommended to fly line of sight too far away from yourself, unless you want to go for a walk. Alright, we're back again. Happymodel Larva X, guys. 9.5 out of 10. I'll stuff it, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. This thing's cheap, this thing's fast, this thing's fun. And she's robust too, I've stacked it a few times. Awesome. Thanks again for stopping by. See you in the sky. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.